Let's draw a nice head. It has two parts. So one part is the top part. I'm using a sign pen and drawing the top part. Then another part which is going to be the bottom part, and it has some curve in it. Okay, and we're connecting the last end. All right, so this is the outline, and then we're taking the blue sign pen, and you can see here just putting the dividation points, which is like a ribbon here. Okay, and this is the decoration. Awesome. And here we're just filling up the middle point with the blue color and also the decoration. Okay, and the whole color of the head is going to be the dark red. So let's see, just putting the shades on the corner or to the border a darker, and as it moves to the middle point it's getting lighter. That's why you can see the center position has the most lightest color, and the periphery or the border positions has the darker outlooks here. Awesome. Use the fingers, just mix up the things, and again the same orientation just follow for the border points of the head. Okay, moving to the center, getting lighter. Okay, mixing up and also working on the other center, other side. Awesome. So very simple hat. Actually, people wear it most of the time in some European countries or the Western countries. Very colorful. Okay, and if you like, you can do little more drawing, extra drawing for the shadings on the sides, just making it more darker. And that's it. This is a nice hat. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.